Tryna stack this cash on the low, gotta duck these cops. We was right off 30 pole lock, chillin' in the back of the tracks. Niggas got packs tryna get them racks. X5, I was riding in the back with the brothers fried chicken and the cat in my lap. 17, had no dreams, drinking for locals, writing codeine. First class, I was on lean. Left fuck high school, so I left free. No one told me life would be this way. I swear nobody told me. Yes, this is the game we chose to play. Crazy how it's always been the same. People dying every day. That ain't nothing new when you from downtown, downtown. Out here trying to make a way. I won't let these niggas take me down, down, down. Don't worry. Riding on these niggas, I be riding, I be riding on me. Riding on these niggas, I be riding, I be riding on me. Riding on these niggas, I be riding, I be riding on them. Riding on these niggas, I be riding, I be riding on them. Phone just ring, heard a nigga got. He was over in the east, last thing that he heard 6 shots. He ain't getting no love from the cops, nobody got caught. Real talk, when I heard who it was, heart damn near stopped. Somebody done killed my brother. Now I gotta get back. Letting off cause a nigga gotta feel that. Sing the shotgun with the shotgun. When you hear the shots come, nigga don't run. Already bad, it can only get worse. Handful of steel cause the shit still hurt. Cut so deep when they put him in the hearse. Never saw 25, had to put him in the dirt.